Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, I suggest you to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you can get latest video of my channel. In this video, we will see how to start earning from games. Many people think earning from games. How will it become possible? They think it is a difficult task. Don't worry, it is very simple and we will make it more simple. Online earning is difficult, but earning from games is not difficult. We will tell you the most important and major points to earn money from games. The most important and major points to earn money from games are game, Google account, and YouTube channel. These points are the basis of earning from games. Without these points, you cannot survive to earn money from games. You can understand it's the basic of earning from games. We will For now we will further discuss about these points. The first point is game. What is a game? And why people play games? Games are the source of recreation and people could play games for their enjoyment. But how can we use game for earning? It is a big question. Why we use game for earning? Because we will make a video on a game and upload it on YouTube. But how? This is a long process and we will discuss about this. First, we will discuss what is game, and game is a source of recreation and we will turn it into a source of earning. Many people ask which game is the best for video games. You can choose game according to your wish. Choose game according to your wish and make a video on it and then upload it on YouTube channel. After uploading videos, you will earn money. The second and the most important point is Google account. Many people think, what is a Google account? Don't confuse. The Gmail account is called Google account. How to create a Google account and why Google account is important. About the creation of Google account, I will make a separate video. But why we need a Google account? Because the Google account is important for the communication between you and YouTube. After, when you will make YouTube channel, your notification and messages will display on your Gmail account or Google account. Gmail and Google account are same. Okay, the Google account is most important because all of your communication will done through it. All of your notifications will come on it and you can read it and you can reply about your notifications, your messages. After creating a Google account, you will make a YouTube channel on it. After creating YouTube channel, you need to set up that YouTube channel. You will set up YouTube Studio and upload the videos. After uploading videos and after completing the requirement of YouTube channel, you can earn money from it. But how you will know I am eligible for earning? The notification will come on your Google account for this purpose, and you will apply for earning on YouTube channel. After applying, the message will come on your Google account that you are eligible for earning and you can earn money. So don't forget these three points. These points are the major points. And also don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. We will meet in the next video again, and I will discuss all these points except game. Okay, bye friends.